everyone, this is Bhavani of GMC Nalgonda, first year MBBS student, and now I'm here to tell you about my things which I wanted to do after the NEET, and I gradually ended up getting something productive. I actually thought of getting hanging out with the friends, with my family, and just do lots of crazy trips and travels, but it did not happen. So let's get into this video and let's know how did I become productive and the ways you can also learn to be productive during this quarantine time, or you can just enhance yourself and just be productive all the time. So let's get into the video. So here's my starting. This is a bangle stand which I made. So my mother had a lot of bangles, so using all those I just made into a stand which I can club all the pens and like pens, scissors in every way. So I just took the Fevicol and I just made up of this, and I stick the cardboard to the and this is how the output came out. And the next thing is like the sand art glass. So this is a glass you might have seen many of my videos, like I put it as some of the showpiece, and this is actually made up of stand. I put on the acrylic paints on it, and I had some gum on that, so wherein I can place this place the stand, and I made the painting of it of an aquarium, so to make it look cute. So this is on the grass going on here, inspired by the ecosystem. So that is how I made this into a good thing. Third thing which I noticed, and I made in many of my videos, and I showed you this people also, this is my personalized book covers. This is Dreams Keep Me Awake. This is my diary actually. I started writing. If you have already visited my channel, I already introduced this in my stationery haul. You can just go on and check on to my stationery haul. I'll link it somewhere on the top. And making some of them like that, and this is another. I have made even many other personalized book covers, and then I did not like show it in the earlier videos, but this was another thing which I made it. This is cute Mickey Mouse going on here. It tells the bits and bits of the life, and this was my getting every time motivation to this. So that is how I made this, and this was my intro page. Annie Frank says, laziness may appear attractive, but work gives satisfaction. So this was the ultimate way of me being productive. Yeah, and that is what all about the book covers and the stationery items which I have made. Coming to the home decor work, I was like quite inspired using the Pinterest and seeing all the things over there. Many people decorated their rooms very aesthetically. I wanted to decorate one and keep it a kind of tribal like thing, or going a very artful or very cute situations, or very inspireful situations. So to make them all such, I made some of the oil pastel drawings, and this was like a very cute thing which I was like doing all the time. And this was like another art which I made it, and this was the cherry blossom. And I will just link in the description box about the channels which I used to make all this, and I was not like completely perfect at it. I was like trying to learn, and this is how I made. And I have to tell you something about these pencils. So these are the Camlin pencils, and these are generally the drawing pencils. So these are the drawing pencils. So using them I have made the strokes and all, because people may be wondering like how the strokes have come so finely, and the birds running on here. And then I made something like aesthetic, and this was the one, a girl with a flying bird. Wish I could be the bird. And this was a very cute painting that I was found out in the YouTube channel, and I wanted to immediately make it. So this was the New York City nighttime lights. I made it, and this is some of the cute and aesthetic situation. I wanted to make a frame of all this and just place it in my room, and I can make some of them and place it in my hall or like in my bedroom. So it is. And this was Ganesh ji, and I really love Ganesh ji and Saraswati Mata. They are like all time my favorite favorite god and goddesses, so they look very bright in this, and it was like all the cute. And this is the another painting which I use the multiple shades, and it has multiple colors. I've used my highlighters and everything. And last but not the least, and this is the most cute couple standing over there. It took me around some 5 hours to make this painting, because as you can see the details of this and everything I made very perfectly. The bunch of roses, I especially loved this roses a lot. So this is all about my paintings, and I even made the paintings which I can just show you on my wall. And there are also the big tree, a family tree, and I kept a tribal dances on my walls. And I have also like done keeping mehendi, and I started learning tutorials about. I started even learning many of the things such as the calligraphy, and learning music. If someone is some music freak like me, you can just turn on to YouTube channels, and there is a compulsory you have to visit some of the channels like that, beautifully designed, and every music will like every time hit your mind, and whenever you listen them it gives a peaceful feeling like that. And it was like all the cute and the productive time which I have spent all this. Apart from all this, I even started learning cooking with the help of my mother, because I never entered into the kitchen room, but I wanted to start and experiment with the foods, and gradually it turned out to be a very good, not the bad ones. It was like all the productive quarantine, and it was like a good thing which like came out to a good result, because I was happy with all of the things, in which I like it always looked so cute and aesthetic, and it was like all the good. So I just enjoyed my work. And the prior to do an interest for all could be getting is like you have to look on and just concentrate and love the work which you are doing, and then only you can just proceed to anything. So that is all for today's video, and this is how I can like put on all the best things into a club up and get into a one video. So this all the things which I have made in my home, and it was like all very good. I still keep looking at the tribal people. That gives me a cute kind of vibes, and musical will always be like that. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And this video I've like added the productive day, so you must like definitely try on some of these things, and you can start experimenting with your life, which will always give you the best results, no matter whether you're failing at it or you're passing at it. You need to just experiment and just go ahead with that. So this is all for the day, and everyone please stay home, stay safe. So that's all for today's channel. Thank you all. I'll meet you back in the next video, and keep tuning in, and I will blow back again. Bye guys.